Hello and welcome everyone to this market analysis video where we are going to be talking about how to look at the markets in a much better way. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of New Trader and I am going to be sharing with you why the markets are at a resistance zone. And if you had connected with me in ET markets where we are live right now and we are going live every Tuesdays and Thursdays at the current moment on ET Now. You can check out the ET Now page of our channel on ET Markets where we go live every Tuesday and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. live and explain to you what is our view about a market, about a sector, and that's what we are doing now. We have got started on ET Markets, so you can join us live. All you have to do is check out that link and visit us on ET Markets. And yesterday, right, if you were there as part of my yesterday's stream, I had mentioned exactly what you're reading right now. Indices nearing resistances, what to do next. And indices reacted very well to those levels. I'm going to be discussing about those levels and what are the prospects ahead in this video. So now when I move down, when I move down and take a look at the Nifty. So you can see here that currently this is where the Nifty is. You can see here that the entire movement is Nifty has gone above this resistance zone which we had spoken about. And then it collided into this resistance zone. तो अगर आपको ध्यान होगा मैंने आपसे कहा था कि ये जो फरवरी की जो हाई है राइट, तो मार्केट्स उसी हाई पर चली गई और कंसेक्यूटिव गैप बनाने के बाद ये लेवल पर जाकर पहुंची. तो ये लेवल जो है 18,200, इस लेवल के बारे में मैंने जिक्र किया था और 18,200 कंटिन्यूज टू बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एरिया टू वॉच आउट फॉर. तो वहां पर जाकर इट हैज गॉन इनटू अ कंफ्यूजन जोन. एंड one of the key reasons is that there is an event coming up today and all of us are expecting that there could be a reaction tomorrow और कल एक्सपायरी भी है. तो ये सब के बीच यहाँ पर एक पैटर्न बना है which is called as a doji. तो मैं आपके सामने दिखा रहा हूँ एक डेली चार्ट. Okay, this is a doji formed on a daily chart, so which means that yes, market did try to go up, it could not go up, it tried to go down, it could not go down. So there is some kind of confusion and एज यू ऑल रिकॉल, तो ये जो गैप एरिया जो है वो हमेशा एक सपोर्ट की तरफ एक्ट करेगा क्योंकि ये गैप बना है एज द प्राइसेस वर गोइंग अप. नाउ दीज गैप्स विल एक्ट एज सपोर्ट व्हेन द प्राइसेस आर कमिंग डाउन. नाउ एज यू कैन सी हियर दैट एट द करंट जंक्चर 18,200 इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट जोन. तो 18,200 पे यहाँ पर कंफ्यूजन है unless and until we don't get a closing back again above 18,230, which if I were to be precise, then you should continue to maintain a neutral stance in Nifty, right? क्योंकि जो overall momentum जो है, it did try to go up, it did cross 70, but then it has not been able to do so. So we are at a crucial stage in Nifty. तो अगर इस क्रूशियल स्टेज को थोड़े आगे ले चले के और देखेंगे कि स्टॉक एनालाइजर में हमसे क्या बन रहा है, तो देखेंगे यहाँ पे कि ओवरऑल द मल्टी डे एंड दी पोजिशनल आर शोइंग अ न्यूट्रल स्टैंस. तो मल्टी डे और न्यूट्रल पर ध्यान देंगे, पोजिशनल पर ध्यान देंगे और देखेंगे कि मल्टी डे और पोजिशनल में हमें क्या संकेत मिल रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर कोर्स जो बन रहा है इट इज ऑन अ पॉजिटिव साइड. तो ओवरऑल बायस कंटिन्यूज टू रिमेन ऑन द पॉजिटिव साइड एंड लेट अस ट्राई एंड लुक एट व्हाट आर द लेवल्स विच वी कैन कंसिडर. So now considering that the entire Nifty is around 18,150, so if we were to take a look at a cluster zone to participate, we were waiting for the R1 level to be exceeded. The R1 level has exceeded, but what do we do now? That is the most important question. So when you take a look at the overall time frame, right? You take a look at the overall time frame. Immediate actionable point is for an intraday player heading into the expiry, right? We're heading into the expiry. So first we will take a look at is there some kind of confluence of levels in the intraday and multi-day. So intraday and multi-day में अगर आप देखेंगे तो this is an 18,170. 18,170 is an important zone to watch out for क्योंकि ये 18,170 आपका R1 आ रहा है. अगर ये लेवल क्रॉस कर पाया तो then the next target is 18,221. So I said 18,230 is an important zone to cross. उसके ऊपर जब तक बंद नहीं देता है निफ्टी, it will continue to remain under pressure. And this is close to this level, 18,211. this is an important zone to watch out for. So this is an immediate actionable point from a expiry point of view. So now let's take it a little bit further and let's try to find out कि आगे क्या levels बन सकते हैं. तो अगर इसके आगे चलने लगे तो we have spoken about 18,300 which is tying up with your R4 and your R2. So these are two levels which are indication for you. So first level is 18,225 to 230 and the second level is 18,270 to 290. So this is your first level, this is your second level. So these are some levels on the upside which you should be tracking in the coming days. Now let's look at a reaction. अगर एक reaction आ जाए और नीचे चलने लगे तो what could be our stance? So you can see here that immediately on a agar kal if it market starts to go down, so when should you turn bearish? That's an important question, right? So for the bearish zone, what you can do is you can just see here that at the current moment this is your 18,113 is your S1. So S1 is always an important support area और आपका S1 जो है it is close to your positional R1. So यहाँ पर एक confluence मिल रहा है at around 18,100. So this is going to be an important area क्योंकि 18,100 के बाद गाड़ी directly 17,800 पर जाकर रुकती है because the decline is quite strong. So on intraday it is around 18,000, but if you see on a positional basis it is 17,800. So well, there is a lot of levels which will come when you reach there. We will discuss it as it comes. But at the current moment, you have to look at 18,100 and below for initiating a short in Nifty. Now let's go and check out Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the setup of Bank Nifty. We had spoken about Bank Nifty and we had also taken into consideration the Fibonacci pivots. तो आपके साथ मैंने डिस्कस किया था कि मार्च और अप्रैल का जो लेवल है, राइट, वी हैड स्पोकन अबाउट 43,500, राइट, 43,500 का जो टारगेट है वो हम मीट कर चुके हैं. ऑल ऑफ यू आर एबल टू सी हियर दैट 43,500 क्लस्टर जोन जिसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया था, द टारगेट हैज बीन अचीव्ड. नाउ व्हाट आर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स टू टेक? द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स टू टेक इज वेट फॉर एटलीस्ट अ डेली क्लोजिंग. ओके, wait for at least a daily closing about that zone, and unless and until it doesn't cross this level and give you a closing above 43,500, you should continue to look at buying Bank Nifty on a pullback. Now between Nifty and Bank Nifty is much stronger. तो अगर आपको काम करना हो, आपने वेडनेसडे को भी देखा होगा कि बैंक निफ्टी ने रिएक्शन दिया, it dipped down into lower levels and then it really gave a very good reaction from there. तो वहां से एक अच्छी खासी रिवर्सल आई. उसका मतलब है कि हर पुलबैक में बाइंग हो रहा है इन बैंक निफ्टी एंड वी शुड कंटिन्यू टू retain a bullish poise. So this is the scenario here, and you can see here that dips towards the region of around 43,200 could be a good area to buy into. 43,200 on an intraday, 42,100, 43,200 से लेकर 43,100 पे एक डिप बाय पॉसिबिलिटी आ सकता है, बट देन अगर उसके नीचे चलने लगा तो देन यू विल सी सम रिएक्शन टू द डाउन साइड. सो लेट्स गो एंड चेक आउट व्हाट आर दोज लेवल्स. अगेन इन द स्टॉक एनालाइजर यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ न्यूट्रल स्टांस इन बैंक निफ्टी. तो कल के दिनों में, एक्सपायरी के दिन में हमें देखना है कि बैंक निफ्टी कैसे परफॉर्म करेगा. मार्केट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू मूव इन अ रेंज. So ensure that you are having an option point of view rather than getting into a directional play in the indices. Now let's take a look. You can see here that the scores are more or less on the positive side. The multi-day, intraday, positional, everything is giving a positive view. And when you go and take a look at the levels, right? Let us check the levels here. अभी जाकर देखते हैं कि क्या टाइप के levels मिल रहे हैं हमारे लिए. और जब भी आप यहाँ पर गौर करेंगे एट द ओवरऑल लेवल्स, यू कैन सी हियर दैट द R1 ऑफ इंट्राडे एंड द R1 ऑफ मल्टीडे. सो देयर इज अ वेरी गुड कॉन्फ्लुएंस हियर एट अराउंड 43,400. तो 43,400 से लेके 500 एक अच्छी खासी रेजिस्टेंस जोन होगी विच बैंक निफ्टी हैज टू एक्सीड, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट सी अ अपवर्ड ड्राइव हियर. तो now let us see what could happen on the downside. Okay, Now, when you are taking a look at the downside, what you are finding is that the immediate support zone is your S1. Okay, S1 is your immediate support zone, and immediate support zone, when you take a look, it is 43,300. So 43,300 है यहाँ पे, which is close to your 43,325. So you'll have to give a room of around 40 to 50 points in Bank Nifty as a zone. ये एक zone है जहाँ पर एक dip buy possibility. So this is your support zone. All right, and this is your resistance zone. तो ये हो गया आपका supply zone. Okay, this is your supply zone. All right, and this will be your demand zone. और इसके नीचे अगर चलने लगे, then you could see that the entire action could move all the way towards 43,154, which I said is 43,100 to 200. ये होगा आपका S3. So this could be your intraday buying opportunity. So there could be a sell off here of around 200 points, and then you could use this junction to buy into. But now अगर इसके नीचे चलने लगे, so then you could see a more sharper reaction. So let's see what happens tomorrow in the market and then decide. I always like to play preference on S3 and R3. S3 at lower levels, R3 at higher levels. So when these levels are available for you, you will be able to take trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty in a very easy manner. I hope you liked what I shared. With this, I come to an end of my Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. Both are looking a little confused at the moment. There is high possibility of range-bound action, so one should continue to maintain a neutral stance. The stance should be bullish as we end the expiry for tomorrow. But then what we have to see is how is the other days going to happen. So about that, I will cover in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off. But before I end this video, I want you to go out there and share this video with as many people as possible. Give a like to this video and also comment on what aspect of this video did you like, so that you can know how you are participating. I can know how you are reacting to the video, and your likes and your comments will help us grow more on YouTube, and also share this video with as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe.